The following is a story based on real events. Our story begins with the manager of a modern office facility. We'll call him Jack. Jack works downtown in a really cool city. His building is very modern and houses some of the most highly prestigious companies in the world. He manages it all. Good job, Jack. Your tenants are happy. One thing Jack is responsible for is security, including video surveillance. Recently, a security camera needed replacing, so Jack bought a new one and had it installed by his maintenance guy, Buddy. Buddy isn't a security expert. He installed the new camera, but never thought to change its default security password. Soon, the new camera was hacked because hackers know default passwords. The intruder gained access to the IT network, taking down internal systems and jeopardizing the security of every company in the building. Jack had to explain the situation to his tenants. Why their keycards weren't working, why the building's security was now at risk. Not good for Jack. Jack had to take action, so he called Kastle Systems. Kastle's video system is cloud-based, removing Jack's cameras from any on-site network interference, so they are locked down, safe, and secure. They no longer use passwords, so they can't be hacked. And Jack is relieved he no longer has to rely on vulnerable servers to run cameras. Everything is now handled securely in the cloud. Nobody can hack Jack's cameras. The best part is, with Kastle's cloud-based server, Jack can check the system from anywhere. His building is now safe and secure because it's covered by KastleVideo. Good work, Jack. Get covered. Call or email Kastle Systems today.